Hello. With the progress of the society, the people is seeking for the technology. Let's see the Lingchen microscope version 2. It is with the autofocus function. When we will start with patient treatment, time to prepare the microscope and start movement from 0 to working position. It takes a lot of time. But for Lingchen microscope version 2, autofocus can help us to reach to clear image easily in the short time. With this autofocus function, starting from the customizing the eyepiece until we reach to the zoom in and focus on what you want to see, it takes a short time. Also, there is one thing. If the patient moves, autofocus can repositioning with every move. The working distance is 28.7 cm, which can give good space for the treatment to match the dental tools. It is with the camera, so you can see the image from the eyepiece or from the screen as you need. The LED light intensity is good for the zooming. At the meanwhile, it will not harmful for the dentist's eyes. There are 5 different magnification to choose. The biggest one is 50x. 20x can cover 90% from the treatment needed. We put the option 50x in case some case needed. With this easy using microscope, it will solve the dentist headache. We wish this microscope will popularizing in all the clinic and the dentists and patients to get efficient and joyful treatment. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.